Next important topic is convert local collection object. Convert local collection object into data frame. Local collection object into data frame. Wow, super కదా. So we may have local objects like array is one local object, right? List is one local object. Tuple is one local object. We have different local objects. I want to convert that local objects into data frame. So if it is a local object, what we will do? We have in RDD we have parallelize method, or we have make RDD method. By using these methods, we can convert local object into RDD form, right? Example, I have three objects, employee 1 and employee 2, employee 3 objects. Three objects I have. So what I am doing, I have a case class, and for case class I am creating three objects. So I am passing these three objects to sequence local collection object. Then from local collection object, let me create in this way so that you will get clear idea. So I am creating case class object. For case class object, I am creating objects. So multiple objects, multiple objects. Finally, I am converting these objects into one local collection object. Then create sequence object. From this local collection object, I want to create what? Data frame. So from local collection object, we can create a data frame object. From local collection object, we can create data frame object. So what I am doing, Hive context dot create a data frame and pass local collection object. It will create data frame. So we have create a data frame function. For create a data frame function, if you pass local collection object, it will create data frame object. Okay. Then df1 dot show, you get what? Three objects. Once we have data frame, then we can use sqlc dot select, sqlc dot select, and we can pass values. So we can use this approach. sqlc dot select. So before that, we have to create one table, temporary table. We have to create temporary table. Otherwise, we cannot apply select operations, right? So we have to create temporary table. Then sqlc dot select, star from emp. That's it. Dot show. Not How? We used df1, right? Df1. So it's giving error is for select. So let's use HC, I think. We created here. See df1 dot register temp table emp. It is executed successfully. Yep. Only one thing is this is not select. This is SQL. We are entering multiple times the select statement. Select star from emp or sum of sal or gender wise. Gender comma sum of sal, where group by gender, gender wise salary we are getting. I want to department wise. Department number comma here department number comma. So we get department wise, gender wise, right? So once we convert data frame to table, then you can apply select queries. So whatever the select queries we know, we can apply those select queries. So if it is a local object, we can directly convert to local object into data frame. When we go for RDD to data frame, if file contain different delimiter, then we go for first RDD creation and parsing data, then converting data RDD to data frame. Okay. Then see, we have a data frame with three records, right? We have a data frame with three records. We have data frame with three records. Yes or no? I want to add some more objects. 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 Then what I'm doing, I want to create new data frame. I want to create new data frame. I want to create new data frame. So first data frame contain how many objects? Three objects or three records. Second data frame contain two records. I want to combine these two data frames and I want to create new data frame because I want to combine these five records into one table or five records into one data frame. So for that one, see, we have we have union operation. Union operation. By using union operation, we can merge how many data frames we want. By using union operation, we can merge any number of data frames. So what I'm doing here, I'm merging data frame val data frame 3 equal to df1 dot union df2. Then df3 dot register df3 dot register temp table, and I'm registering temp table name emp2 emp2. So what I'm doing, I'm registering temp table 2. Now hc.sql of select star from emp2. Then we'll get 5 records, right? Yep, emp2 dot show 5 records, right? Previously we have 2 records, 3 records. We added new records, 2 records. Then finally we got 5 records. So union operation is used to merge any number of data frames. Union operation is used to merge any number of data frames. Next one, creation of RDD from data frame. Reverse. Previously what we did, from RDD we created data frame. From RDD we created data frame. Now we want to create RDD from data frame. RDD from data frame. So simple. So you can convert data frame dot RDD. Data frame dot RDD. It will convert data frame to RDD. Previously RDD to data frame 2DF. 2DF. Data frame to RDD. Data frame dot RDD. Okay. RDD dot collect dot collect dot for each println. So we got data, right? But difference between data frame and RDD, data frame has schema, RDD doesn't have schema. So that is tabular representation. But here, no tabular representation. It is by default is CSV form. Okay.